Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on different triangles worksheets. So this video introduces some worksheets where we are looking at different types of triangles. Now there is a lesson on this very topic, and we saw in the lesson that triangles can be named according to the lengths of their sides. And we can also look at what angles are involved. So when we look at one or both of those bits of information, we can actually attach a name to the triangle. So if you're not sure what to do, on the last slide there is a direction which tells you to click on a link, and the link will take you to the lesson, and that will explain how to name each of these triangles. So for the exercises, we have to name each of the following triangles. So if we look at the first triangle, we notice here that this angle here is 90 degrees. So what is that triangle called? We notice here in number 2 that each of those angles are less than 90 degrees. So that triangle is given a special name. Here we note that this angle in particular is greater than 90 degrees. Hence, this triangle has a special name. In number 4, we note that the three sides of this triangle are not the same length. So what's the name of that triangle? Over here, have a look how the three sides are equal, because all the strokes on each of the sides are the same. You have 2 strokes on each of those sides, and that tells us that the 3 sides are equal. Over here we have 2 sides are equal because they have the same strokes, and the angles opposite to each of those sides are equal. So what's the name of that triangle? Now we have to do some sketching here for the last few. So firstly we have to sketch an equilateral triangle, sketch an isosceles triangle, sketch a right angle triangle, sketch a scalene triangle, sketch an acute angle triangle, and sketch an obtuse angled triangle. So this video has given us a few worksheets where we can practice naming triangles according to the lengths of their sides or the angles that we see. We've also had some practice in sketching some triangles, and if you're not sure what to do, as I mentioned before, on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples.